Welcome to my ProjectBazaar.com. Our project title is Enabling Generic, Verifiable and Secure Data Search in Cloud Services. Let's see the abstract of our project. Searchable Symmetric encryption has been widely used in the cloud storage. It allows cloud services to directly search over the encrypted data. Most verifiable SSE scheme only enable verifiability for the single user model. So we propose a GSSE such as Generic Verifiable Searchable Symmetric Encryption framework to ensure the search result integrity and freshness across the multiple user. GSSE provide verifiability for any SSE scheme and it support the data updates. It ensure both the freshness and integrity of search result across the multiple users and the data owners. GSSE is a generic verifiable SSE scheme that can work with the three-party model. Data owner provide encrypted proof index corresponding to the data and authenticators to the cloud services. The cloud server will provide the storage and the search services. For efficient searching, the cloud using a verification key to keep the privacy preservation and achieving the verification requirements and providing the encrypted document with the corresponding proof according to the token. The data user challenges the cloud services for verification of search results retrieved from the SSE scheme. Finally, the data user verify the documents with the proof and decrypt the encrypted file if verification is correct. Let's see the flow of our project. This is the overall flow of our project. It's a single owner multi-user model. The data owner has a full-fledged rights to upload any data into the cloud server. The data owner will log into their account by making use of their username, password and then secret key. If it is valid, it will be redirected to the data owner page. There the data owner will select the file to upload and then the secret key will get generated for uploading our file securely in the cloud server. This key is used for encrypting a file and then we are going to upload the file into the cloud server. After uploading, suppose if the data user want to retrieve any data which is presented in the cloud server, they have to be logged in. Suppose if it is a new data user, they have to be registered before login. The registration which include the details of data user first name, last name, their username, password, the secret key will get generated during the registration time. This is for securely login to their account, for maintaining the user information more securely. After the successful registration, the data user will log into their account by making use of their username and then password. The data user will search a file that is presented in the cloud server and send a request to the cloud server for accessing the file which is presented in the cloud server. The cloud server will check the authentication of a user before granting a permission to download the file that is presented in the cloud server and after the successful verification, the cloud server will send an encrypted file to the data user. The data user will get a key to decrypt the file. By making use of the key, the data user will decrypt and download the file. This is the overall flow of our project. Now let's see the execution of our project. Run the project. The data owner will log into their account, enter the username, enter the secret key, log into their account, choose a file to upload. Here it will show the file content and enter the search keyword to search. Here it will display the file name, file format and the file size we are going to upload in the cloud server. Get a secret key to upload and encrypt the index, encrypt the file. Here it will show all the encrypted file. Click upload. The file is uploaded successfully into the cloud server. Now the data user will log into their account. Suppose if it is a new user, they have to be registered before login. Enter the last name, username, password, confirm password, enter the email ID. We have done a validation in the registration form. Press the key to generate a secret key. Now registration done successfully. Click login to log into their account. Enter the secret key. Login success. Now the data user will search a file that they want to download. Enter the search keyword. Here it will display the search result. Click the file. Here it will display the file name, file format and then file size. The file request is sent to the cloud server. Now view the request status. It's in a progress. Now the cloud server will log into their account. Login. Now the cloud server will view all the uploaded files and the request that is sent by a data user. It's in a progress state, and view all the downloads. We can click a value and click next button. Here it will view request, check the ID verification, data user is valid user, and grant a permission to the user to download the data. Now the data user will view the request status. The permission is granted. Data verification that is sent by the cloud server. Download. The file is downloaded successfully. The user have to download the file within a particular time limit. Otherwise the request will get cancelled. Show the download. Here it will show the downloaded file that is presented in our system. Now this is the overall execution of our project. Thank you for watching this video.